Okay, Brandon, be ready. Go.
On the high side. Hold your line. Hold that line. Hold your line. He's still there. Hold your line. You are clear outside. Car high. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Still there.
P19.
Still there. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Outside's clear. Car high. Hold your line.
The leader has just done 30.7.
Still there.
P17. The guy
Clear high. Car outside.
The guy ahead has just done a 30.9.
Hold your line. Still there. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. He's still there. Hold that line.
Fastest lap for Price, 30.7.
Hold your line. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. 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 Still there. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Your high side's clear. Car on the high side. Still there. Hold your line.
P18. You've just done a 31.2.
Still there. Clear on the high side. There's a car outside. He's still there. Still there.
You've just done a 31.1.
High side is clear.
Sorry about that, Evan.
P17. That last lap was a 31.2. Your lap time was 31.1. Okay, Brandon, that's good consistency. Keep it up. The car ahead is full. time was 31.4. 17th place. That was 31.4.
No, I don't. It wasn't intentional. I'm sorry about that.
Car hide. Your outside's clear. Car outside. Hold your line. Hold that line.
Sorry, Jeff.
Still there. Still there.
I didn't
Still there.
check it, man.
Clear outside.
My bad, I didn't even know you're down there, remember?
You got a car inside.
The 18th. That lap was 32.
Clear inside.
That was 32.0. Okay, Brandon, the next car is point F.
Car outside. Still there. You're clear outside.
The car in front of us is Neely.
Car inside. Still there. Still there. You're clear low.
P19.
Car outside. Hold your line. You're clear outside.
18th. That lap time was 32.2.
pitting this time.
.47 pitting now.
All right, Brandon. The next car is Price.
Car high. Hold your line. Outside is clear.
P17. That lap was a 32.4.
.75 this time.
Oh, shit. 03 pitting, 03.
Stein is leading the race. P15, you've just done a 32.4.
I'm pitting this time, 38 pitting.
87 pitting. Double zero pitting.
58 pitting.
P11, your lap time was at 32.5.
.21.
Good consistency. Keep them coming.
Might keep pitting this lap.
'73 pitting.
Car inside. Clear on the low side.
Okay, Brandon, you've got about 4 laps of fuel left. P10, you're pulling away. The gap behind is now 8.8.
Car high. Hold that line. Clear high.
Three laps of fuel remaining.
21 pitting in.
Thirteen pitting.
P9, 2 laps of fuel remaining.
23 pitting.
Fastest lap for Henley, 30.5. The gap to Price in front is now 0.7.
Car low. Clear inside. There's a car inside. Your inside's clear. Car low.
You've only got enough fuel for this lap.
Low side's clear.
34 pitting. 32 pitting this time.
Box this
90
lap, please,
pitting.
Brandon.
18 this time,
P5. This
18.
is the last lap of fuel. Come into the pits at the end of this lap. Box this lap. The leader, Patet, is pitting. Okay, Brandon, we're
81
at the
pit.
halfway point. Should be about 28 laps of fuel left. There's traffic on the exit, keep it tight. P19. That was 30.9. That's your fastest lap. Jones is getting closer. The gap's now 0.4. The gap to Moore ahead is now 0.8. The driver in front of us is Moore. That last lap was at 31.2.
00 Biddy.
P19.
High side,
03.
still there.
18th.
Never mind, never mind.
You are clear outside.
There's a car rejoining in front.
03 pitting, 03 pitting.
75 pit.
Oh, 06 pitting.
Twenty-three pitting.
47 pitting.
38 pitting.
P15. Henley is now in the lead.
Pitting.
P12. You've just done a 31.7.
34 pitting.
The leader, Henley, is pitting.
58 pitting.
There's a car inside.
Okay, Brandon, there's a car exiting the pits. Heads up.
Still there. The roadside is clear.
P8. Your last lap time was at 31.8.
Car low. Be clear on the inside. Car inside. Clear on the inside. Car on your low side. Still there.
Heads up, there's a car exiting the pits.
Hold your line. You are clear low. Car high. Still there.
Stay high, brother.
That lap time was 31.8.
Outside is clear.
The gap to Moore ahead is now 0.8.
'73 pitting.
Car low. Hold your line. Clear on the inside.
Jones behind is pitting.
Thirteen pitting this time.
Eighth place. P7.
Twenty-one pitting.
Sorry.
The gap to Moore in front is now 1.3 seconds. There's a car leaving the pits. Alright Brandon, lap times are pretty consistent.
Hi, Christopher. I was really trying to stay off you there.
No, you're good, man. You didn't hit me.
I don't know how.
On the low side. He's still there. The low side is clear. Car inside. He's still there. Clear inside.
The gap to Moore ahead is now 1.2. You've just done a 32.0. P7.
Car inside. Hold your line. Clear down low.
The gap to Moore ahead is now 0.4. Your lap time was 32.2.
Car low. Hold your line. Your inside's clear.
That's good consistency. Keep it up. That lap was a 32.4. The guy behind's reeling you in. The gap's now 10 seconds. Okay, Brandon, the next car is Price. Push, push, push. We can get this guy. Robert is now leading.
Car low.
The guy in front is May.
Still there. Hold your line. Clear low. Car inside. Your inside's clear.
E6, you've got about 3 laps of fuel left. To go. Only 2 laps of fuel left. White flag, 1 more to go. We think you'll be out of fuel on the next lap. That lap time was 32.7.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Sam. You need to come down on me.
Good job, Joe. Way to win, man.
Good run, Adam.
Good win, Joe.
6th place. Okay, that's the end.
Keep
Good
five
finish,
and
mate.
start
Well done.
stuttering at the line.
Pretty much ran out as we crossed the line.
I still had 0.3 gallons. I saved too much. Good win, Mr. Robert.
Finally got the one.
Damn good race, guys. Damn good race. And congrats, Joe. Top 3 guys, please go to podium finishers. And damn good race. Green to checkered yet again. Keep the outstanding racing going.
Look out for the pit speed limit.
I ran out right in the middle of the backstretch.
Dang. I don't know how I didn't run out earlier.
Yeah, I was keeping the same pace as you. I must have just burnt it up too much early in the run.
I don't know, man, but that's, I think, one of my best finishes for this track, so I'll take it.
Brady, damn good run tonight. Congrats on the P5.